100 English words that start with E. Listen and repeat. For beginners.
Hello again, friends.
You're watching English Podcast. Welcome back.
Today, we're learning new vocabulary.
100 useful English words, all starting with the letter E.
Just listen carefully and repeat with us.
Speak along. Don't be afraid.
With practice.
You'll speak English with confidence.
Listen and repeat. Each,
Each,
ear,
ear,
early,
early,
Earn.
earn,
Earth.
earth,
Earthquake.
earthquake,
Ease.
ease,
East.
east,
Easy.
easy,
Eat.
eat. You're doing great already.
Let's keep the flow going. Echo.
Echo,
Edit.
edit,
Education.
education,
Effect.
effect,
Effort.
effort,
Egg.
egg,
Eight.
eight,
Either.
either,
Elbow.
elbow,
Elder.
elder.
Nice and steady. You've got this.
Let's say the next set together.
Elect.
Elect,
Election.
election,
Electric.
electric,
Electricity.
electricity,
Electronic.
electronic,
Elegant.
elegant,
Elephant.
elephant,
Elevator.
elevator,
11.
11,
Eligible.
eligible.
You're learning fast. We're halfway there.
Speak out loud with us. Every word counts.
Eliminate.
Eliminate,
Else.
else,
Email.
email,
Embarrass.
embarrass,
Embrace.
embrace,
Emergency.
emergency,
Emotion.
emotion,
Empathy.
empathy,
Employee.
employ,
Employee.
employee.
You're doing amazing.
Let's go for the next group.
Employer.
Employer,
Empower.
empower,
Empty.
empty,
Enable.
enable,
Enclose.
enclose,
Encourage.
encourage,
End.
end,
Enemy.
enemy,
Energy.
energy,
Engage.
engage. Just a little more. You're doing great.
Let's power through the final set. Engine.
Engine,
Enjoy.
enjoy,
Enough.
enough,
Enter.
enter,
Entertain.
entertain,
Enthusiasm.
enthusiasm,
Entire.
entire,
Entrance.
entrance,
Environment.
environment,
Envy.
envy.
Just 10 more words to go.
Stay with us till the end.
Episode.
Episode,
Equal.
equal,
Equation.
equation,
Equip.
equip,
Equipment.
equipment,
Error.
error,
Escape.
escape,
Especially.
especially,
Essay.
essay,
Essential.
essential. You did it. That's 100 E words.
Keep practicing, and your English will improve daily.
Watch the video again to review.
Speak with us anytime, and grow your confidence.
Don't forget to subscribe to English Podcast.
For more helpful videos like this,
You're learning.
and we're here with you.